Animal behavior is a scientific discipline that combines biology, psychology, neuroscience, and ecology all together, so it draws on those different fields to understand animals and their environment.
I always knew that I wanted to work with animals in the future, and so I knew that I needed to find a major that I would be able to start with having hands-on experiences.
I've always wanted to work with animals. My mom actually found Stevens College when we were looking for animal majors.
There's very few programs in the United States that offer a degree focusing solely on animal behavior, and among them there's even fewer that you can get that hands-on experiential learning. So starting from the very first semester, we are out in the field. We start with the theory, but then we get out into the field and we actually look at birds and bird behavior and start defining it and seeing if students can come up with uniform definitions of what different things they do and what they mean, and can they all see and observe the same thing. I think the hands-on learning is one of the most essential parts of being an animal behaviorist. You can have all the textbook knowledge in the world, and if you can't actually apply it in a setting where you're interacting with an animal or you're interacting with the public about animals, then it's not as useful.
Herpetarium that we went to, the guy who was running it let us handle all the animals that he had, so we got to handle snakes, tarantulas, lizards, and it was really cool. And we got to work with the horses. We got to go observe them up close, watch while they were training the horses, watch while they ate. We got to interact with the horses and pet them. So it's great working up close with animals.
So one of the things we think about is how animals think, and that they do think differently than us, or maybe they think similar to us. So understanding how an animal behaves and how that affects their mental processing. So one of the things we talk about a lot in class about the rich emotional lives of many animals, that a dog and a cat can remember their early experiences, and it can have a long-lasting impact on their lives. So I have here Phoebe Bridgers. My son named her, and she is a purebred Bengal. Phoebe is about 1 year old. She's a female, and she's training to be a therapy cat. So her goal is to be able to go to nursing homes and schools and help people that need a little extra emotional support. She's been practicing in class today. So in class today, she went and sat with the different students and got cuddled and held by all kinds of people as they learned the material from class.
Sometimes we have guest speakers. We get to hear about all these different professions but still in the same field, and it gives me a lot of ideas of what to do in the future.
I think it's great to have guest speakers because they are masters in their field, and so they like to talk about how they got to where they're at and what they're doing now and what can be helpful for us in the future when we want to do that too. And then we get to stay in contact with them later because they send us their email. So if we have any questions about anything they talked about or anything in their field, we can email them and ask too.
We try to make sure here at Stevens College that they are prepared for a variety of different careers, that they're all not just on that grad school track. They are certainly extremely well prepared for graduate school, but we also want them to be prepared for jobs in conservation, jobs at shelters, jobs at rescues, jobs in industry as well, working with animals and animal welfare and animal behavior within industry, the agricultural sciences, as well as the pet food sciences.
I like it. It's really cool to experience all the new things that have not been done before. And it's nice to set the foundation for the next generation. I know someone from my high school who is a senior this year said she wanted to come here for the same program, and I was like, you should totally do it. It's so much fun.
It's an incredible experience. I feel very lucky